Welcome to Brain Power Basics. In the previous session, we reviewed the scientific basis for neuroplasticity and the ability of the brain to develop new neural connections, strengthening cognitive function. We also explained how the Brain Power Cognitive Skills Training Program is engineered to maximize neurological and cognitive development in the brain. By treating the problem at its source, Brain Power provides a real solution for individuals suffering from brain injuries, learning disabilities, cognitive disorders, as well as the cognitive decline associated with normal aging. Now we will delve into the Brain Power program, providing a program overview, a look at needs assessment, treatment planning, and put the role of the support trainer into perspective. Brain Power is extremely unique. It's an affordable home-based program, making it realistic to train for 1 hour a day, 7 days a week, for 12 weeks or more. As has been stated, it's in this way that Brain Power delivers the frequency, intensity, and duration of treatment required for maximum cognitive development. As you can imagine, this would be difficult to attain in a clinical setting, and it would undoubtedly be prohibitively expensive. Brain Power is a professionally engineered program designed specifically for neurological development, not random stimulation, as brain games are. Brain Power is also extremely comprehensive in its design. It is able to provide cognitive skills training in areas not offered by other programs, with 7 training domains and 59 training modules, with up to 32 training levels per module. Brain Power improves cognition in the areas of visual processing, developing rapid visual scanning, visual discrimination, attention to visual detail, and spatial and mental visualization. Auditory processing, developing rhythm and pitch discrimination, phonemic discrimination and manipulation, and speech articulation. Executive functions, developing concentration, divided attention, conceptual tracking, response inhibition, reasoning and planning. Memory skills, developing the ability to memorize word lists, stories, pictures, geometric figures, and spatial location, as well as utilizing association strategies. Language processing, developing word finding and language processing skills. It's also important to know that certain visual processing, executive function, and memory skills modules also train language skills. Motor skills, developing fine and gross motor speed and coordination, as well as visual motor integration. Basic math skills, developing basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication skills which are needed for other cognitive tasks. Brain Power is designed for all age groups. As a clinical program designed to enhance the neurophysiology of the human brain, we designed the training to be age neutral. Brain Power can be used effectively with any age group over the age of 5. It's designed to challenge, train, and cultivate neurological development, not to be a source of entertainment to any specific age group. In short, there are no dancing bunnies, or for that matter, any complicated calculus. Brain Power is designed to be intuitive and challenging for everybody. Brain Power does require a serious commitment. Cognitive skills training is a serious endeavor, requiring personal engagement and perseverance. It's important to get past the natural desire to be entertained and focus on the challenges built into the program, as well as your desired results. Brain Power is a comprehensive treatment program that can produce meaningful changes in brain functioning within 12 short weeks. As with any long-term commitment, there will be times of accomplishment as well as frustration, but the end result will make it all worthwhile. Brain Power provides 2-on-1 training support. The Brain Power program is enhanced by the role of the support trainer, a family member or friend who delivers guidance and coaching throughout the process. Brain Power is the only home-based program engineered to be enhanced with this important treatment component. The patient is guided and supported by both the computer program as well as the all-important support trainer. The person providing the patient with assistance, who we call the support trainer, does not need to have any special qualifications or education, only a commitment to support the patient in their training and to become familiar with their role in this process. It's important for the support trainer to be familiar with all the tasks that are part of the patient's treatment plan. For those training modules that require direct involvement from the support trainer, it's very important that he or she understands and is capable of performing the necessary tasks required to facilitate training. By viewing these orientation videos, you should attain the familiarity and competence required for the role of support trainer. Although about half the training tasks do not require direct assistance, it's necessary that the patient be continuously supported by the support trainer. As will be discussed, this supportive role is critical in maintaining the commitment and training intensity required for optimal cognitive development. It's extremely important that the specific needs of each patient be assessed prior to training. Often professional assessments have already been conducted. In the case of brain injuries, a complete neuropsychological evaluation may have been ordered. In the case of learning disabilities, the school system may have some basic assessment information that can be utilized. If none are available, a professional assessment can be sought, or BrainPower offers a more informal diagnostic symptom checklist to assist with needs assessment. The diagnostic symptom checklist is free to access at www.trainmybrain.com. Once a patient's needs have been assessed, a treatment plan can be developed to focus on the specific areas requiring development. A BrainPower treatment plan is easy to set up, being color-coded by treatment area. You simply assign the treatment domains in the areas of underperformance. Based on our imaginary assessment, we have found a complex of problems including auditory processing, memory, executive functions, as well as visual processing that require development. Now all we have to do is assign the color-coded treatment modules listed below the treatment domains that we designated. As you can see, it's very intuitive, and when you're done, you can prioritize your tasks and begin training. As with other support documents, you can download the BrainPower treatment plan at www.trainmybrain.com by accessing the Reference Materials tab. There are also standardized treatment plans that can be referenced for specific diagnoses, such as dyslexia, dyscalculia, and nonverbal learning disorder. After a treatment plan has been established, which designates which training modules will be used, the support trainer should view the trainer orientation videos related to those domains of training. This will help the support trainer become familiar with their specific roles in the total training process. Program orientation only requires about 2 hours of your time, but is critically important if you want to get the most out of this program. Most of that time is spent watching this series of orientation videos. When using the program, there are fresh instructions for each training level. These are designed to help the support trainer as well as the patient prepare for the new challenges. By understanding the fundamentals, the fine-tuning should be intuitive as you progress through each level of patient training. Don't fret. You do not need to be an expert at each level. Just understand the fundamentals so that training can progress smoothly. As previously stated, the BrainPower program is professionally engineered and based on modern cognitive science. It was designed to be professionally administered by a network of BrainPower providers or used independently by dedicated home users who prefer to independently administer the program. In either case, BrainPower is a home-based program requiring the involvement of a family member or friend taking the role of support trainer. As has been covered in this and other videos, patient needs assessment, treatment planning, and administrative setup needs to be completed by either a BrainPower provider or a committed home user. This administrative flexibility allows both BrainPower providers and patients a high degree of options in implementing the BrainPower Cognitive Skills Training Program. A BrainPower provider can be very hands-on or relatively hands-off. The patient can be supported by a BrainPower provider or managed independently as a dedicated home user. In either case, this trainer orientation will provide the overview required for both the BrainPower provider and the home user. Now let's take a quick review of the BrainPower program. There are two functional components of the program. First, there's the BrainPower website, used as a source of information and for administrative purposes. There will be more on this in a later video. The second is the BrainPower program itself. The BrainPower program can be downloaded online by any registered user and can be used on multiple computers 24/7. The user is always connected to their treatment plan and treatment history by logging in when they start the program. This unique internet-connected platform allows the user to train in multiple locations as long as there is internet access. Simply open the program and log in. You then gain access to the BrainPower program, picking up where you last left off. Let's explore the program. The top row shows the 7 different treatment domains. Below each domain are the treatment modules designed to develop the patient's cognitive function. Within each module are as many as 32 incrementally challenging training levels. Because of the incremental nature of the program, you only see your current training level as well as completed levels. As you progress, you'll continue your adventure in cognitive development. Each level is incrementally more challenging or designed to expand the variety of cognitive functions that are required to complete the task. It's important to know that cognitive development occurs when the tasks become more challenging. Don't allow frustration to occur, since this is exactly where you want to be. If it takes 50 attempts to complete a level, just smile and watch the neurological development take place. Thank you for watching BrainPower Basics. Our next tutorial is General Training Guidelines, which provides guidance for the support trainer in order to improve coaching skills, confidence, and overall effectiveness.